Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can create an account on Bingx. So let's start our video. First, go to Play Store or App Store, download and install the Bingx application. Once you do so, tap on Open the application. Once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. There are two options at the bottom, sign up and login. So we're creating an account. You need to tap on sign up. Here you will find two options. You can either create your account using your email or your phone number. So in this case, I will use my email address. So guys, once selecting the email or you select your phone, then you need to create a password for your account. So here you need to type in that password. So once you create a password, it should be 8 to 30 characters long, must contain numbers and letters. If you have a referral code, you can enter it here. Then tap on sign up. So once you tap on sign up, they will send a verification code to the email that you provided. You need to enter it here. So go to your email and fetch the code from there. So guys, once you get the code, you need to paste it here, and then they will ask you to enable a passkey. You can do it later on as well. If you want to do it, you can do it right now, but I will do it later on. And as you can see, welcome to Bingx. It has been created. The account has been created. And guys, this is all it takes to create an account on Bingx. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.